Some say it's the land that defines a nation. Maybe so. Maybe so. But you see, for us, it's so much more than that. From the coastline of the north to the mountains of the south lies our story. Over 1,000 years of history. A kingdom ruled by dynasties. A country that disappeared, but a nation that never ceased to exist. Rebellions led by heroes on horseback, and the solidarity which united us in the darkness. You can only appreciate freedom once you've lost and regained it. What makes this place so interesting are the people who've written its story. From the astronomer whose findings shook the world, to the pianist who brought us the finest nocturnes. From the first woman to be awarded a Nobel Prize, to the Pope who told us, "Be not afraid." This country is stronger than ever. This is our time. We invite the world.